Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have this kind of entertainment TV stand right here, and on the bottom we have these drawers that kind of slide in and out on these wonderful smooth metal tracks. But like all drawers, sometimes things kind of fall in behind the drawer and you can't really close the drawer all the way, and you have to take the drawer out to get whatever objects stuck back there out so you can close the drawer. But unlike traditional kind of like wooden track drawers, these metal drawers end and they don't really open up, and you can't really remove the drawer easily. And in some cases, you can't really get your hand back there to remove the object. So how do you get these drawers out? So if you need to remove your drawer that's attached with these metal tracks, it's actually pretty easy. I want to kind of focus your attention to where this track meets the larger track here. Let's get some light on the subject here. And you'll notice there's actually a little lever right here, which sometimes can go up and sometimes can go down. And this is basically the little lever that disengages this track from this. And as you can see on the other side of the drawer, you have a similar track. You also have a little lever here that either comes up and down. Again, depending on your drawer, this either disengages by lifting it up or pushing it down. It depends on your drawer. And so that's all you have to do. You just take one hand on one side, one hand on the other side. In this case, I push down, the other one I push up, and that will release the drawer. As you can see, you could remove it all the way. And so with your drawer out, you can go ahead and check to see which object is blocking your path and get it out, and then reinsert your drawer. Now, putting your drawer back in is a little more difficult than taking it out. You'll notice that this has a little bit of a track here, and that track actually fits into these little two grooves. Now, you're gonna have to be a little coordinated to get both sides in, but I'll show you a little tip to help you out. Okay, to reinstall your drawer, I would just focus on one side at a time. So either pick the right or left. In this case, I will start with the left, and I'll kind of push in this track just a little bit to get out of the way. And so you may want to remove all the objects out of your drawer just to make it a little lighter, but in this case, I'll keep these items in. So you just want to lift up your drawer and kind of just carefully fit it in to one side and kind of hold it in place, and then grab the other track and kind of fit that side in so it's into those grooves, and then just carefully push your drawer back in. You'll hear a little click because it's re-engaging those little levers, and then go inside, and now you have a functional drawer once again. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.